Welcome to my crochet channel. This is Vanna Inn. This channel is correlated with my cooking channel. I have been doing my YouTube cooking channel for a while now. Besides cooking, my compassion is also crocheting and knitting. Today, what I am about to show you is some of the basic element that you need to start your crochet, especially for those who are new to crocheting and what expect. So this is my first introductory to preparing yourself for crocheting. People ask me what's the difference between crocheting and knitting. There is a difference. The difference is the hook that we use of the needle. This is the crochet needles, and it's wide range of numbers and alphabet that correlated with the number. And the crochet needles is had this little hook here that to help you achieve your crocheting. So I am that I have been collecting over time a whole bunch of different hook size and head. So you see some of them are flat, some of them are more rounded, and all work a little bit different, but it work. So if you're looking for the needle, the crochet needles, so these are some of the size and some of the hook head. Okay, so if you look, this is a little different than this one right here. This one right here is also crochet needles, and you see the hook is a little bit different, not too much, but it will work. And you pick your best hook that work for you. And if you're not sure, then just pick one and learn to use it. Sorry. Those are some of the large size. It ranges from size A to H and I's, and and some of them is like humongous. So here are some of the finer crochet hook. And this I had seen is being used in pattern than you use a smarter needles or somewhere in between. So there are variations of yarn colors and colors and size of the yarn and spool. So what I got with me today from Hobby Lobby, I'm not endorsing them, but this size here is pretty small, so this you probably use this on the size C's or D crochet needle. So some of them are mighty fine, and sometimes I added another spool, double the spool to bring it to the size that I need to accomplish certain project. But I just love the fact is that it's so fine is that I can make something ordinary, extraordinary out of it. I also have this multicolor rainbow colors, very pretty. Let me show you the project that I had accomplished, that I completed. In that color was this beautiful lattice flower. Okay, it's the flowers, string of flowers, and of course I make this little in edge here. So this came from this spool here. Okay, it came out really nice. I'm in love with this patterns and the color, so it keep you warm and proud to own one.